Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So it's another video update for you guys. This time we're in the Kingston 876 commercial development. This is on Ferry, right out by 6 Miles. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. So remember guys, I know a lot of you guys watch and don't subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Come on, support me. Remember to like, and as usual, you know that you leave a comment most of the time. I appreciate the comments. Remember to share the video as well, so that persons across Kingston, across Jamaica, and even persons overseas as well can definitely see the development and the great changes, the jobs being created in Jamaica, because that's what this channel is about. It's all Jamaica. Cool. So again, Kingston 876 commercial development, that's where we're at. 876 commercial development, one of the newest tenants over here is just out here, but we're gonna get closer, so I won't say anything else. And then around here we know we have Tropical that build their head office in a major development. Out here still have a lot of empty land, just waiting for the right person. They're a bit pricey, but you know, I'm thinking in 5 years out here will be full of warehouse, BPO, call center, factory. So now is the time to get in. So over here is another new development. They cleared the land recently and started some work. We're gonna set up the drone. I know you guys know that by now, so we'll be able to get a drone eyes view of all these complexes. Right, so that's Nestle right there, their distribution center in the background. Cool. So lots of empty land still available, still ready and ripe for development. I remember as a child coming to Kingston, out here was a wasteland, swamp after swamp, and it was very smelly. Can I say stink on YouTube? It was stink as well. But one, they have made drainage, they have dumped the land, so the smell have gone for the most part. And this is a good development extending out from Spanish Town Road, because we know Spanish Town Road, you know, had most of the factories and warehouse. So yeah, so I think this is Derryman, another mega warehouse. And the last time we came as well, Tanquil was building another mega warehouse as well. So a lot of these development is by Tanquil Metal, super successful company. I know they partner with Shopman, so there's also a Shopman truck company over here as well. But again, I'll set up the drone and try to highlight every single place as best as I can. And of course, we know we have Plantation Heights. They're getting a good view of that side. So we have Plantation Heights. So on this warehouse as well, they build it super quick, very quick, because I covered this as well. And what I'm gonna do in the description, I'm gonna put the link for some of the older videos I did when some of these places were being constructed. Like the mega warehouse that are around the back, around there. But I'll send up the drone. I think it's finished. It's close to Shopman, which is around there. Petcom distribution companies around there. You have a call center as well. You have a, what did you call that, a cement mixing plant as well. So it's a mixture of industrial, warehouse, call center, you know, the whole mix. But I think eventually I'm have to go zone it properly, because like the mixing, the cement mixing place will give a lot of dust and fume, so you know you can't have that too close. And this is also, so this is a big warehouse with multiple tenants. Elisa is an electrical bike company. This is their warehouse and sales center, so they have electrical bikes over there. Fontana also have a distribution center right in here as well, so it has a few tenants. So 2939 is the name of this warehouse with the multiple tenants. And again guys, I'm gonna set up the drone, so I'm not gonna do too much talking. So from the drone we'll try to cover all the tenants over here as well. Right, so the drone is coming up pretty soon. And again guys, thanks for all the support. You know, I know I can always count on some people to always like, comment, share, and watch the videos as well. I know some persons also donate monetarily to the channel through PayPal and other options, so that helps as well. But even for the ones that keep supporting, sometimes that even work more, because you share a video, you like a video, you subscribe, you know, that helps the channel to grow, which then, you know, give a bigger return. So I appreciate you guys, and despite everything with Jamaica, I love Jamaica, and I enjoy covering Jamaica. I really do enjoy covering Jamaica. You know, my time is very important and valuable, right? But it's just a sacrifice I make because I love what I see, and I want to share with you guys what I see as well. So Joan is coming up shortly. Alright guys, so I decided to highlight something. The other day I was on YouTube and I saw a YouTuber overseas. All he does is to go around and highlight safety barricades like these on highways. Why? Because his daughter met in an accident, and because the barricade was defective, she died, right? It was defective. So I saw something on this bridge and I'm saying, hey, let me show you guys. The bridge right on ferry that, you know, leads to the Kingston 876 commercial development, right? So on the bridge there's some defects, and I know a lot of persons watch my channel, but I'm thinking that it can get worse. So these are cracks. Right, so this bridge carry a lot of load, a lot of trailers to the industrial complex. So if you guys know who needs to see this, you guys can help by sharing. I'm just looking around, I'm seeing over this side as a crack as well. This bridge carry a lot of weight. Alright, so this was not part of the video, guys, so I apologize. Just a commercial break. Alright, let's jump into the video. Alright, so we have Tropical Battery over this side, relatively new tenant. So they're way in the corner, I would say the most corner lot, or the furthest section, because from there it's all the way around here. So next new tenant, or the newest tenant, is ATL Automotive Group. So it seems as if a lot of cars are selling because they obviously run out of space on Oxford Road in Kingston. This is a very big lot though. You'll see from the drone, very big lot. So it seems as if here will be for sales and probably storage of their new vehicles that are selling so fast. And you know, Jamaica already have too much vehicles on the road with our small roads, and you know, with our inadequate road. But yeah, this is the newest development. So this is the ATL Automotive Group. So I see Kia, I see VW, I see Audi. Not sure if they'll send out any other Porsches out here. Yeah, but well fenced, well paved, well secured, well per camera and all these things. Not sure if they'll do any servicing out here. But I guess it kind of makes sense, because one of these streets is called Automotive Way, and we know there's an electric bike company around in that warehouse, around that side. We also know that Shopman, which is a truck company partnered with Tankwell, is also around that side as well. Some people would say probably, you know, it should have been closer to their other Oxford Road location, but I guess when they need space, they need space. And then this RAM thing look like it's for a display. So I guess they may have sales out here as well. And they already have good roads to test drive on. So probably don't need to go far. Got the road around here, the Kingston 876 commercial development, is pretty good. Alright, so this is the newest kid on the block, ATL Automotive Group.